Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to play rolling order. First thing you need to do is open one of your books with your partner, write up the title rolling order and rule 10 lines. Nice straight, I'd use a ruler, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way to 10. At the bottom I've got the word lowest and at the top I've got the word highest. Okay, the idea is you need to roll dice. You're going to get some dice, 2, 3 or 4 dice. And you need to order your dice from lowest number to the highest number. When you roll the dice, you can order them any way you like to make a number that suits you. Now, the game we're going to play today is with 3 dice, so that means it's a 3-digit number, meaning that it's a hundreds number. The biggest number I can get is going to be 6, 6 and 6, which is 666. So if I ever got that, I'd put that up the top. And the smallest number I'm ever going to have is 1, 1 and 1, which is 111. 100, 1 in the tens column and 1 in the ones column, 111. So I put that down the bottom. Okay, here we go. I'm going to roll the dice. I'm going to tally off how many turns. You get 10 rolls. Can you get 10 in order? That is the aim. Discuss it with your partner as you go. Think about where you need to put your numbers. Let's play. Okay, look at this. 1, 2, 2. How am I going to order it? I'm going to order it. Well, that's pretty low. I'm going to order that as like that 122. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to write it here 122. I'm going to tally off 1 go. Righto. Let's roll the dice again and see how I go. All right, what have I got there? I've got a 6, a 4, and a 3. I could do it any way I like. I'm going to put the 6 up the top. I'm going to put it somewhere up the top. 643. It's a nice high number. I'm going to put it on that line there. 643. Okay, that's 2 goes. I need to have 10. All right, let's have some more goes. So I've rolled a 5, a 5 and a 2. I'm going to leave it as that. So my number would be 552. I'll mark it down as another turn. It needs to go less than my 600. I'm going to put it right underneath it. 552. Righto, let's roll again. I'm doing well. I've got 3 on the board. 633 I could have. See, I could not have 633 because 633 is less than 643, but bigger than 552, and there's no line in there. So I need to change it to a different number. And I'm going to go 336, and I'm going to put that one right in the middle. 336. All right, that's another one. 4 goes down. The idea is to fill them up with your 10 goes. 654. I could put above it, 654. I'm going to do that. 654. 654. That's 5 goes. All right, I'm going well. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots to fill. I need a few lower ones. Next number, 265 or 256. I've only got 1 spot for that. I'm not sure about that. Can I put this somewhere else? 252. No, I can't make 252 because, sorry, 652 because 654 is there and 652 is bigger, is less than 654 and there's no spot. Could I make 526? Yes, I could. I could fit it in here. 526. It's less than 552 and more than 336. Okay, I'm going to go with 265, which fits in between those. That's what I'm going to go with. 265. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Righto, here we go. It's getting a bit harder towards the end. 543 would fit nicely in there. Well, I'm not getting those low numbers. I can't go any of those lower numbers because none of them are 1s. I'm feeling a bit worried about that. I can't go above. None of them are 5. That's my only spot. 543. I'm running out of spots. That's 7. I've got 3 more to go. This is where it's getting tricky. Here we go. 600 640. No, I've got to be bigger than 650. Let's go down the other end. Oh no, I can do 100, but I've got 146. It does not fit. So that is a lost opportunity. I tick it off, but I cannot put my number down. All right, couple more goes. 641. Again, I cannot go bigger than 654 because I've only got 640. And down the bottom again, I cannot get under 122. I've missed out on another go. I've got one to go and I've missed two. Last roll. Hopefully I can put it somewhere. I want a 1. All right, I've got a 655. Whoa, which is one more than my number. 655. And that's my 10 rolls with my partner. So my score is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, our score is 8. The idea is to try and get to 10. Have a couple of goes of that. It's a good game. That was the 3-digit number, hundreds number. You can play with 2 dice for a tens number or 4 dice for a thousands number. It'd be interesting to see how hard or easy they are compared to each other. Have a go of a different type of one. All right.